Hey, 3 things that every gardener should do no matter where you are located, okay? Let's go ahead and get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Oh, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. Your boy bit his lip in the middle of doing that bad boy, but nevertheless, I am also excited because, again, 3 things every gardener should do, or beginner gardener, no matter where you are. These are 3 things you should do. Number 1, what you want to do is feed the birds, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you probably didn't think about it, but birds are also necessary for the, organism and the synergy between your garden and its growth. And during the winter season, the birds haven't been eating things, because things been depleted, things have been frozen, things have been not growing and things like that. However, what you can do is feed the birds. Have a wide variety of bird feed within your bird feeder so that you can attract a wide variety of species of birds, okay? So look out for them because they do benefit you. So I'm gonna go ahead and set me up a birdhouse out here, and I'll show you those things. But okay, that's number 1. Think about them, and also too, you can give them water. However, if you do give them water, make sure it's in a water warmer type situation so that it doesn't freeze over, because it has been cold. That's why I'm wearing my hoodie. It's been extremely cold around these parts, even in Florida. Okay, so do be mindful of the birds. Okay, so that's number 1. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, you want to start your seeds, okay? Here's my seed starting area, but boom shakalaka, you want to start your seeds, okay? Because the spring is coming up, and starting your seeds now will give you a jump start for those bad boys to be able to grow in your garden or whatever your garden situation looks like, okay? So those things like peppers and things like that, you want to go ahead and start those bad boys. If you do them indoors, cool. If you do them outdoors, that's fine as well. As you can see, mine are in the garage. I have a whole fan situation, grow lights, heating mat, all that jazzmatazz. I'll put links down below for those so that you can, be good to go if you want to start your seeds. But you do want to go ahead and get those bad boys started, and don't wait, okay? You wait now, then you won't have them later, and they won't be in the growing season for you to be able to eat them bad boys, okay? So start your seeds. That's number 2. If you need any help with starting seeds, let me know down below and I'll help you out. Start your seeds. Don't wait, okay? And let's go to number 3. Boom, baby. Number 3, you want to go ahead and plant your cold weather plants, or continue harvesting your cold weather plants, those things from and such as your brassica family, your onions, and let me see what other things I have out here. Boom shakalaka. Oh yeah, my spinach, my peas, my greens, my onions, my garlic, potatoes, lettuce, Swiss chard, beets, carrots, and radish are all great and wonderful for February gardening, okay? So if you haven't already started those bad boys, you can still do them because they'll be good to grow during this month, okay? So plant them, eat them, enjoy them, and do it in repeat, okay? Most of those things will grow back as you eat them and clip them as you eat, but nonetheless, get those bad boys a go. I have my beets, my carrots, and my radishes growing in my 5-gallon buckets back there, and I have my lettuce. I don't have any lettuce, but I do have kale, I do have collards, I do have beans, I do have broccoli and things like that, all growing out here. So with that being said, these are 3 things that everybody can do no matter where you are located, okay? So gardening made easy, that's what I do. If you need any help, you can always garden with me, and I'm excited about everything that will take place in the month of February, okay? We are doing this together, and I'm excited to see what you do. So I love you all, I appreciate you all. Happy gardening, happy living, which will lead to a happy belly. Love you all. Peace.